Well, this is the Skate One warehouse. This is where all the magic happens. We're just having a little tour at the Powell factory, you know, or the Skate One factory actually.
One of the things I really try to impress upon the boys that we care about skateboarding so much that we actually have this factory. We still make our skateboards here in the United States. We control the quality of them. We test them all the time. Cross ply, another long ply, top and a bottom. And then we do is we stack 4 boards at a time. So it'll be like 28 panels altogether. How do you say 28 in Spanish?
I don't know, I can't speak that fluently.
So then it is, I'll put the final like bottom on there. You're gonna tape it all down. That's real masking tape.
That's not an artificial.
It's not artificial masking tape, it's real. After they're in the press, they come out like this, and see there's 4 boards in this stack. And then what we'll do is we'll take them over to the other side of the wood shop where we're going to cut them out and shape them.
Streets, baby, streets! We're having a big premiere tonight for our fun video, and just waiting it out, trying to check everything out, get it all ready, and make the magic happen, you know?